guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John. Today we're going to be going over a really special pair of sabers. These are the KRSabers Kestis and Shoto with KRV3 pixel sticks. They are very bright. Like, it's really bright. I cannot wait to show these off, so without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright guys, this is super cool. I'm really happy to be able to show these off to you. These are the Kestis Standard and the Kestis Shoto hilts by KRSabers. These guys are so beautiful. I mean, there's so many perks to these. They can be customized out the wazoo. They have a beautiful black anodized and machined grip that just feels absolutely phenomenal in the hand. It's so buttery smooth. Not in like a you're going to lose your grip kind of way, but just not sharp edges, nothing unappealing. It feels really nice. The shrouds are made out of steel, which allow for some heat staining to happen. Really, really cool. And they are just absolutely gorgeous sabers. I mean, the bodies are also not clear anodized, which Cal has taken a liking to do to keep things nice and clean looking over time. But that allows for easy weathering on the bodies. So, you know, you can just customize these to your heart's content. So let's go over some components real quick. We are fortunate enough to get to review two sabers that this one has an Eco Max chassis and this has an Eco CC. So really, really nice chassis in these as well as being really nice sabers. So this guy has the stock they both have a stock NPX LV4 along with a connector for the inside. The standard Kestis opens from the grip along with the Shoto, and Jimmy Saber Junk famously adds a twist and lock mechanism to their chassis. Here is the Eco Max. And just to go over the components real quick, we've got a stock rotary connector along with the NPX LV4 Eco up top, Proffieboard V3, high amp kill switch, Bluetooth module, motor, micro accent neopixel, OLED, 18650, 28mm speaker, and a partridge in a pear tree. The Shoto also has the Eco NPX LV4. When you're removing this chassis for the twist and lock, I would recommend grabbing up top, up here, with your fingers. Don't grab it like this. Don't grab it like this. Grab it up here at this top body and twist to the left and pull this out. That will prevent anything like the crystal chamber breaking or anything catastrophic happening that is undesirable. This has the thin neck connector, two tactile switches, a Proffieboard V3, high amp kill switch, micro accent neopixel, 18350, and a 22mm speaker. These guys are completely packed like to the gills. For a small saber like this, to have a crystal chamber along with I'm wow. To turn this on,
whatever happened, you can't change the past.
Flip the switch up to the right, flip it up. There is no right or left, it's just up and down. Line up your switches. It doesn't matter which way it goes in. Gently finagle it in, grab up here. You'll feel some resistance from the spring-loaded fingers inside for the thin neck connector, and it'll twist. You'll hear a nice click, and depending on which way you put this chassis in will affect which switch it is. So if you like this square design to be your main power, cool. If you want the one with the lines across to be your power, just put it in the way I have it right now. This bottom threads on like so. Flip the power up.
We ran into some trouble on our last job.
And I'm just going to show off real quick some of the features. So this has the Survivor Bundle 2 by Kyberphonic and Kestis. This is really awesome just for this sole purpose of getting all the colors announced by Cal and having these really great authentic Survivor fonts or sounds.
Green.
Now, the other cool thing is the OLED will display the color as it's changing.
Yellow. Orange. Red. Magenta. Purple. Indigo. White. Party Saber.
And Party Saber, just because this one is closed up and this one is not.
Party Saber.
Party Saber is really great because, let's put a blade in. If you got far enough, or if you beat the game, when you started a new game plus, you got the ability to change your saber to have party mode, which essentially made every swing change. Every swing would change the color of the blade. So to turn that on, you would hit the power and twist it to the right, and now you heard that sound and it changed it to party mode. So every swing, so you have the ability to turn party mode off and on by toggling it with holding the power while the blade is on and twisting it to the right real quick. It's got to be kind of an assertive twist. Otherwise, it's not going to do it, and you're going to get frustrated and look silly trying to make your saber do something people have no idea what you want it to do. Good times. I speak from experience. So these sabers are really great. Something else that is super cool is that if you thread this back on, you have a quick connect right here. You can remove this pommel piece. You can take this pommel off of your saber. Drop everything while you're doing it. And you have a different pommel piece here with a little nipple on the end. And that nipple allows you to, boop,
Blue.
put it right in to the other saber.
White.
Wrong way.
Party Saber. Blue.
And then you've got a staff. So cool. So really amazing how easy that is to just separate. Separate and put back together. It's just amazing.
Nothing we couldn't handle.
Now, these are Proffieboards, so just keep in mind that they don't have any deep sleep. The only way to actually conserve battery is by turning them off. So you got to turn these off every time you want to use or put them on display or travel or do anything. You don't want them accidentally turning on anyways. So just some handy advice. When you're done using it, save yourself some hassle. You don't want to turn it on or reach for it one day and then have the battery yelling at you that it's low and needs to be charged, because then you can't use your saber. So anyways, that really does it. All these parts, by the way, are clockable. So this piece, if you wanted it to be another way, you would actually unscrew this and then find the right orientation, and then tighten this back down, and it'll line up however way you want it to line up. I'm not really 100% sure about the direction that it needs to be. The other thing is, if you don't want the staff coupler or the quick connect, there is a way to make it a solid connection to make it more sturdy. This is threaded on both sides. You would just take this apart. Jimmy Saber Junk shows how to do it, and thread this into this like that. You would unscrew these two set screws and then unscrew this nipple and screw this in its place. And then when you screw it all together, it's all tight and ready to go. No problems, no wobble, nothing, unsure about if you want to use it as a staff. So there you have it. There are your Kestis and Shoto sabers, and I hope that I answered all the questions. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome content featuring really cool sabers like these. I cannot believe how freaking bright these are. I mean, look, like off screen, on screen. No lighting. There's lighting. Lighting. These are so bright. Also, look, like, this is a regular KRV2 with, like, geez, it's nuts. Anyways, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you're looking to get sabers like these installed, please check out my website, sabersforever.com, where you can find commissions like these available for install. All of the KRSabers products that are available on the Saber Armory are available for install on my website. Just pick the commission that you bought from the Saber Armory, and Bob's your uncle. Send it my way and I'll do it for you. There's also a made-to-order section that has some pretty cool blasters available. They do take about 2 to 4 months to get, but like, they're really, really sweet. So if you have any questions and you can't find what you're looking for on my website, please reach out to me at john@sabersforever.com, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. That basically does it for today, so until the next time, guys, may the Force be with you.